Multimodal model predictive control through batch non-holonomic trajectory optimization application to highway driving. We start with our main motivation, and for that we consider a typical highway environment. On top you see a standard MPC which computes a single locally optimal trajectory, and the bottom we see our batch optimizer based MPC that generates several goal-directed locally optimal collision-free trajectory, each residing in a different homotopy. The task here is for the ego vehicle to drive as close as possible to the desired velocity, desired cruise velocity of 15 meters per second. As you will see here, the standard MPC gets stuck in a suboptimal local homotopy, and as a result, the ego vehicle has to substantially slow down to prevent collision with the slow-moving neighboring vehicles. In contrast, our batch optimizer based MPC can explore the free space better and can use smooth acceleration profile to converge to the desired cruise velocity of 15 meters per second. We start with our main idea. Different goal-directed trajectories will explore different local minima and consequently different driving modalities. To realize the above idea, we develop a real-time algorithm that can generate a batch of smooth goal-directed collision-free trajectories in parallel. We consider two high-level driving tasks. The first task is to drive as close as possible to the cruise velocity of 15 meters per second. We now present a comparison with the batch/parallel variant of optimal control solver Ocado with our batch optimizer. The velocity residual obtained by our batch optimizer is lower than that achieved by the batch Ocado. In other words, the ego vehicle can drive more closely to the desired cruise velocity of 15 meters per second with our approach as compared to the batch Ocado. Moreover, Ocado's trajectories show a non-smooth behavior. As you can see here, several oscillations can be seen in the output of the batch Ocado, while our optimizer achieves smooth acceleration profiles. We now present a comparison of our batch optimizer with Freinet Frame Planner. Freinet Frame Planner is a trajectory sampling approach. Importantly, the collision avoidance and kinematic constraints are ignored while generating the trajectory samples. As a result, the resulting trajectories needs to constantly apply high accelerations in linear and angular space to avoid collisions. Furthermore, as you can see, the Freinet Frame Planner achieves a higher velocity residual than that achieved by our batch optimizer. Our batch optimizer drives more closely to the desired cruise velocity of 15 meters per second, while also requiring smoother acceleration profiles. This is the quantitative summary of the previous simulation result. Our batch optimizer achieves least meta cost. That means it drives most closely to the desired cruise velocity. Among the multimodal baselines, Freinet Frame Planner performs worst, but overall standard MPC achieves the highest cost and performs the worst. We next consider the second driving task, which is to drive with maximum speed while maintaining a right lane preference. But more importance is given to achieving the highest speed possible. We first present a comparison with the standard MPC. As you will see here, the standard MPC converges to the right lane, but sacrifices the forward velocity and so has to substantially slow down to avoid collisions. In contrast, our batch optimizer can maintain both high velocity and right lane preference. As you can see, the standard MPC is stuck behind slow-moving vehicles and has to reduce its velocity to almost 9 meters per second, while our ego vehicle with our batch optimizer is moving at a velocity of 20 meters per second. We next present a comparison with batch Ocado. Again, our batch optimizer achieve slightly better performance than batch Ocado with smoother acceleration profiles. As you can see, the velocities achieved by our optimizer is slightly higher than batch Ocado, plus we are also maintaining the right lane preference better than Ocado. Comparison with Frenet Frame Planner. So here, in this particular scenario, Frenet Frame Planner performs significantly worse than other baselines. This is because the collision avoidance and kinematic constraints are ignored during trajectory sampling approaches. As you will see, the velocity is substantially less than that achieved by our batch optimizer. Plus, you can also observe a certain oscillation in the Frenet Frame Planner trajectories, where it is to constantly change its direction to avoid collision. This is a quantitative summary of the last simulation. Our optimizer achieves the least meta cost. Frenet Frame Planner does worst among the multimodal baseline. Standard MPC performs worst overall. This is the most important result of a paper. Our batch optimizer can run at a computation time of 0.07 seconds for a batch size of 11. This is 6 times less than our main competing baseline of parallel/batch version of Ocado. Frenet Frame Planner has similar computation time as ours, but as already shown, it performs worse across all metrics among the multimodal baselines. We now present a residential driving scenario in a state-of-the-art simulator called Carla. As you can see, there are several parked vehicles with zero velocity, and the ego vehicle needs to avoid collisions with the parked vehicles as well as the slow-moving vehicles in the front to maintain the desired cruise velocity of 7 meters per second. As we can see, the road is curved, but when we convert the problem into center line reference frame, we get a problem in a road with straight line geometry, as discussed in the main paper. We next present the real-world hardware simulation result. The main point that we want to show here is that the standard MPC gets stuck in a low suboptimal homotopy, which requires large heading changes and non-smooth motion, while our batch optimizer can explore better homotopies, as can be seen from the video. We next present a demonstration of real-time replanning to avoid dynamic obstacles with our batch optimizer. Thank you for listening.